Dude, how do I get bird poop right there? Are you kidding me? You guys, it's me, G. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here with my boy Keep Chief, as always. Today we are actually going to be going to the post office so I can mail some stickers in my backpack. And then after we mail some stickers, we are going to go to Midtown. And there's a pretty cool place in Omaha. I think we've been there before, but we haven't shown you guys what it looks like with the drone. And then after that, we got to go pick up some decals. So it's kind of like a full day today. We're just kind of catching up before Thanksgiving comes up, which is actually tomorrow. For you guys, it might either be the day I post this or the day after. So happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys didn't kill too many turkeys, but you gotta eat, right? And I should probably mention this now because I will probably forget later, but don't forget about the limited time Mini Moto Squad t-shirts. These are going to be available for Black Friday all the way up until like Cyber Monday, I think. So make sure you guys grab those while you can. Hello, cutie. Also, you guys should let me know down below if you want to see another Funny Moments compilation video this year. The only problem about this year is we recorded so much more, so I'm going to need your guys' help. You guys are going to have to go through some of my videos, pick out your favorite moments so that I can put it in the video, and then maybe I can even like shout you guys out for doing that.
What's up? Pick up the file! Yo. What's up?
I don't have the scream mask, so it doesn't make it as funny. Come on, bro. Not that embarrassing. I'll go this way. I almost died. Now I have a good story to tell at Thanksgiving dinner. What's going on? Okay, hopefully I didn't just break my card.
Be tight.
Oh god, it's stuck. Bro, my card is stuck.
You gotta be kidding me.
There we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, there we go. Hey. Hello everyone.
Not amused.
They kind of smiled when I waved. They're just mad because they don't have Groms.
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, bad idea. Oh, there's a... Damn it. Oh man, that's some air there. That guy was pointing at me. Let's do it again. Oh dude, I'm starting to nail those now.
Order up.
Sorry Keith, there's no tacos.
Bro, these are some giant mailboxes.
I know, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, thank you guys for the support. Yay. Alright, let's do this. Yo, that looks like a trail back there.
Down. You had me a trail.
Oh shit. Yo, this looks sick though. Oh, this is it.
Nice. A dead end. What a surprise.
Come on. This was your fault.
It's not a dead end if you have a Grom.
Fair enough.
Oh, looks like the volleyball net's getting a lot of use. Oh my god, dude, there is an army of geese over here.
Oh my god. Bro, if we had Jar Jar here, he would go right through that. Oh my god, dude. That is crazy, dude. Oh, there is another trail. Dude, I can't believe this was here this whole time. There's a person up here, but...
It's okay, they were about to walk through all those geese. I think we helped.
Yeah, true. You're welcome. Hello, ma'am. There's always cops over here, so if we see one, just jump in the lake.
Got it.
Did you keep going?
Well, yeah, looks like we are. Alright, come on, geese. Fly away. Thank you. Uh-oh, there's people up here. It's like we were never here.
That's right.
I think right. Right?
Right.
Only in Nebraska. Ah, shit. I figured you made it. If not, later, Keith.
See ya.
I knew it.
You just can't hear anything.
Yep. Yeah, this is going to take a good long while. Unless you want to get on, you know, the interstate.
Don't even know.
Anything but that.
It'd be a lot faster.
Bro, I knew this was a bad idea.
Whoops.
I blame you, dude. I blame you. Oh man, I missed my sport bike.
I just passed the car on the interstate. Brings back memories.
This guy's looking at us like, what are you guys doing out here?
Get a Grom! I'm gonna drift behind you. I mean draft. Not
Draft.
drift.
I was like, alright, hold on, let me turn around and get this on camera.
Look, it's Jar Jar's muffler.
Oh, that was cold, man.
Good thing you got rid of that car.
Where are we going next? Never been there.
I'm thinking, Midtown.
Okay.
Don't ask me these hard questions. Oh my god, that was scary for some reason, dude.
Whoa.
Don't look at me funny, lady.
Squad. Graham squad.
It's on Dodge, right? That's downtown. Pretty sure. You are no help today. My god, bro. That's like the third question I asked you.
I was thinking.
I know, but then you don't answer sometimes. You just go doy and then stop.
I was gonna give an answer. Just, you know, later.
Amigos, boopity boppity.
Still no tacos, Keith.
I don't want your tacos.
I thought that was you going. Wait, what did you just say?
That's right, you heard me. This lady just looked over at me and goes, oh my god.
Really?
I like saw her mouth the words. Yeah, I know.
Were you in there? Ooh, a cute girl.
Focus wheel.
Sorry. Michael Live! Hey!
Squad. Did he hurt my belt?
Oh, he did. He's gonna turn around and ride with us now.
Nice.
Whoa. Nice.
Dang.
That's
It's a cool color. It's got a supercharger on it.
So does my Grom.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
You want to race?
He can't hear you.
Yeah, that's right.
He's not even looking at you.
Whoa!
You don't even need to have the NASCAR noise for that one. I was expecting like a giant diesel truck or something.
Really? I thought it was the Corvette.
Because then you go to that like.
Where was that?
Edit that out. Edit that out.
Then you go to that like curvy road that then brings you towards downtown. You know what curve I'm talking about?
Oh, I know what curve you're talking about.
You have no idea, do you?
Oh, I know.
Okay.
That one on Dodge. Yeah, the curve on Dodge. I know.
Okay,
Wait, how else do you want me to explain it? Well, it's a curvy road on Dodge.
Okay, well, I'm confused. Do you know or do you not know?
Well, I just said the curvy road. That's what you said. They're like, well, it's the...
No, that's what she said. Got him. What's that lady doing in the middle of the grass? She's in no man's land. She's about to get sniped.
Oh, God. Duck.
Goose. Were you childish? Okay, I'm childish.
Yeah.
At least I'm pretty sure it's on this road.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa! What a nice day.
Squad.
In 2 seconds, we will be recording for 1 hour.
Cut.
Cut.
End scene.
End clip.
Action.
No, I thought we were ending it.
Cut.
I'm done. Alright, I think this is Midtown up here. Excuse me?
Alright, security should be here momentarily.
Yeah. Alright guys, well we made it to Midtown. Keith and I are going to hang out here for a little bit, maybe even get something to eat, and then we will be right back, but we're going to show you guys what this place looks like. Dude, that was actually sick. Trevor is literally right outside this building, and he's gonna drop off the decals for us.
Oh, nice. That worked out.
Shout out to Trevor for coming to us. That was nice of him.
Is he just like parked in the street?
Yeah, he totally is. It's because he can't get in here because we got in here legally. Am I allowed to go? I'm gonna go. Don't hit me.
Oh, no. Come on.
Me, bro.
Oh, whoa, dude, it's just tried shutting on me.
Yo, what's up, Trevor? How are you, man? Bro, thank you so much. Thanks, man. Later, bro. Well, dope. Now we got everything done. That was like a lot faster than I expected. Oh, shit. I was in gear. I win. Thanks, man. That was cool.
What do you say?
Nice bike.
He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Come on. All right, you guys. Well, Keith and I have to sit in a lot of traffic before we hit home, so we're going to end today's video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like on today's video. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the MMS shirts, available until Cyber Monday. Join the Most Lit Squad on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.